So look round room 33 of the Premier Inn, Durham North. It's on the ground level and it's a disabled access room. That humming you can hear is because I've got the bathroom door open and the light on so you can see, but it's a full wet room bathroom. So huge walk-in, big enough for your wheelchair, shower, and the shower chair grab rails as you would expect. Around the toilet, sink, everything's lowered, the towel rail is lowered, the sink is all lowered. Properly disabled access. Very good. Coat hooks. Obviously you have to put your key in the slot to turn the lights on, or any card will do, it doesn't have to be your room key. There's your mirror area. I love the way that the light comes on at the vanity mirror. I think that's quite helpful. Power sockets there, hairdryer, and this little wardrobe sort of area where you can hang your clothes. But again, it's nice that the rail is lowered for disabled. Pillows, spare pillows up there. Nice desk, little workstation area, sockets. These never seem to work in the hotels I stay in. I don't think I've ever actually had one of these things that works, but I might try it later. I brought my Xbox with me, so I might plug it in and see if it actually works, but you never know. But it's good that they have the connectors there anyway. I guess tea and coffee. Standard Premier Inn kettle is clean, and the cups and glasses, yeah, clean enough. There's some marks and scratches, but what you would expect. Your coffees and milk and stuff. This is an in-connecting door here to the room next door, so that you can actually have the room next door and this one, and then get the door opened, and then you can access both easily. I suppose that's good if you're disabled and you want your carer or family or whoever staying in the room next door, they can get to you quite easily if there's a problem. Your standard bedroom, again the bed is lowered as well, which is good. It's only a double, although I do note that they are actually two single beds put together. You can see down there where the join is. Comfy chair. We've got the lights and either side, and the light switches either side. Interesting, is there a plug socket for your phone? Yes, there is. There's one down there. Is there one the other side? No. I've noticed that in Premier Inn, so it seems to be plugged one side but not the other, which I think is a bit strange in this day and age. And the view just sort of looks out onto the car park. Nothing special, but I suppose if you park your car there, then you know, at least you've got a good view of it. You know it's always safe, if nothing else. But yeah, pretty standard stuff. The artwork, which is again pretty standard in Premier Inns these days. And obviously your thermostats on the wall. I did notice that there is a fan down here under the desk. I guess if it gets hot, you put it on your little bin. This is the menu. We've actually got the meal deal package. This is what we've actually got, this meal deal. So you get dinner and breakfast, and it's a 2-course dinner and a drink. So it'll be interesting to see tonight what's exactly on the menu. and what you can get, and this is exactly the same as here. It may well be, I don't know. But I guess we'll find out later. But yeah, quite looking forward to that. Okay, I love the way the televisions are so big in the rooms these days. It's great. Yeah, so that's it. Room 33, which is a disabled access room at the Premier Inn, Durham North. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Interesting, it just says here, your room was cleaned today by Amy. And I just want to say that actually, at first glance, Amy's done a pretty good job. So, well done, Amy. It's pretty strange, I've just turned on the television and the first thing it's asked me to do is to actually tune it. That's the first time I have to say I've ever checked into a hotel, Premier Inn or any other kind for that matter, and it's actually asked me to tune the television. Very strange. And the other thing I wanted to point out is over here, and these disabled, I've just put my medication there as you can see, but they've got the disabled plugs, which I've just put down there, which are the cords that you can pull in case of an emergency. And for the first time in my hotel history that I've actually used these things, it's actually worked. My Xbox is on the screen. Wonderful. Well, first course has arrived. I've got garlic mushrooms and Scott's gone for plum cocktail. Main course has arrived. We've gone for a trio of pies. Both of us, and Scott's had some extra onion rings.
And onion rings can go both ways.
And course number 3, I've gone for a profiterole sundae, and Scott's got jam roly-poly. Very nice.
And it's custard like some custard.
I love the way they have this purple lighting above the beds these days. I do think it's a nice touch. Breakfast following morning, I've gone for some Special K and some croissants. Scott's got some toast, and our fried breakfasts will be here shortly. And fried breakfasts have arrived.